Hi, my name is Bruce Ogilvie, and I'm the chairman of Alliance Entertainment. Alliance is currently traded on the Nasdaq market. It's been on the market for about 2 years under the ticker of AENT. Alliance Entertainment is a distributor of entertainment products. Those entertainment products consist of movies, music, video games, toys, and collectibles. Alliance has different channels that we sell to. 40% of our revenue comes from e-commerce fulfillment, where we're shipping directly to the consumer on behalf of all the different retailers we sell to. These retailers consist of large chain retailers like Walmart, Target, Costco, Barnes & Noble, as well as your online retailers like Amazon. We're an authorized drop shipper where we have to ship the product within 6 hours or less. So it's all white labeled. It looks like it came from these retailers, but it really came from us. And having such a large selection of 325,000 entertainment SKUs in stock makes us kind of the premier supplier of those products where they want to come get their products from us there. The other 60% of our business is traditional wholesale. That wholesale is driven by a small independent music store, which is over 2,500 we currently service there, to the large chain retailers, the omni retailers that I mentioned before there. Just to give you a rough idea, how we got to where we got. I joined the company, as I said earlier, in 2001, and Jeff Walker, my partner, we were able to grow the company from $18 million in revenue up to $1.4 billion in revenue. And that was all doing over 13 acquisitions during that 20-year period there. The secret to our success is because we are a distributor, we have to do everything that's possible to reduce our fulfillment costs. With that, we've made an investment in some technology called AutoStore. AutoStore is what I call the Rubik's Cube of auto storage retrieval systems. What this system does is it eliminates travels to the shelf and travel time, which is a big expense in a warehouse. And before AutoStore, we had 41 team members, processors who were walking to the different shelf locations, fulfilling the orders. And then they'd have to walk to the next shelf location. With AutoStore, we were able to go from 41 employees down to 7 employees. Much more efficient, labor savings. Employees like it better. They don't have to travel so much in a hot warehouse. It's a win-win for everybody involved. I'm really happy with that success. Something we've expanded upon is our licensing agreements that we have with movie studios. That originally started with our Mill Creek division, but recently we've just added a major new studio to that licensing opportunity, and that's Paramount Pictures. Paramount Pictures had a home entertainment division that they decided they wanted to outsource that responsibility to a third party, and that's where we stepped in. In addition to Paramount, we also have the bottom 1,800 titles of Disney. And we expect this area to grow in the future as we add more studios that may be looking to make the same changes that Disney and Paramount have. So I want to talk about Handmade by Robots. We purchased that company from BDA, and they made a fine job in putting out these toys and licensing what they had, but they didn't have the strong distribution that we have with all of mass retail, and that's where we come in. One thing we hear from a lot of our investors is, what are you guys going to do to grow your gross profit and grow your revenue? And because of our ecosystem and every retailer we dealt with, we saw this as a tremendous opportunity that we could take this brand, Handmade by Robots, and lean in on getting licensing of all the relationships we have already in place and put out titles each year and hopefully grow it at the right pace and the right speed, so that's a very profitable division for us. Our goal over the next 2 years is pretty much to get that up to be $100 million a year business there. And if we are successful in that area there, that would give us about $47 million in gross profit. If you would like more information about our company, please check out our investor relations site, which is ir.aent.com. And that's Alliance Entertainment, currently traded on the Nasdaq, ticker symbol AENT.